You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video I want to take a close look at the Bardock figure. It's a bootleg edition from the 10th Super Master Stars piece. And I'm just curious, like, what are we going to get when it comes to this figure? With bootlegs it can be like a very good one, or it's going to be like a really horrible one. So I'm really curious, what are we going to get with this version? Is it any good? So I just want to do this unboxing with you guys and just see what are we going to get. So here you can see we do have two different versions. We do have the brush edition and the original one. And yeah, I'm curious, like maybe in the future we'll pick both of them up and do some more comparisons also with the original one, just to see how good or how bad this thing is. Depending what kind of bootleg or what kind of figure you're having, because there's a lot of mix out there. Sometimes you can find a pretty damn good one, and sometimes you find a freaking horrible one. But inside the box there is nothing much than this. It's also like very flimsy cardboard. There's also something I've noticed a lot with these bootlegs. We're not going to get a very nice quality box, but let's do a quick overview of the figure itself. Okay, so first of all, like, his facial expression has been done very well, and with this bootleg that is an absolutely a very positive point. So do like the hair itself, the way how they basically made it. You can see the mold lines. This is something you don't see always with the original one, or they just basically brush it out fairly easy. The only downside I already can find over here, there is some paint job issues. I don't know what is going on over here, because yeah, it seems to be like there is I think it's more like a paint chip. Not a big of a deal. You can maybe like, yeah, fix it with a little bit of black paint or something else. So when you're looking at the arms, they're still a little bit loose. You can see over here the lines, but when you're going to position the figure, I will show you later, it don't like, it's really noticeable. Here we do have like quite a big gap over here. So this is not like the things you will see with a bootleg and not with the original one. But again, like, I don't like have this original one that I can show you side by side here. Just wanted to do it maybe in the future. Another thing I've noticed over here, you can see there is some room between his armor and his body. So you know, like, there's the similar things that we have seen with other bootlegs. There's a weird paint problems over here, or is this filth? Yeah, something like filthy or something like over here. But in the end, like, an overall, the quality is not super bad. But and again, like, I would love to check out the side-by-side comparison with the original one in the future. But is this bootleg worth picking up? Yeah, depending on the quality. So this quality, it's an okay. I must say, I don't mind the gaps of the arms, but I don't find it like so really annoying. But in overall, when you're looking at the quality of an original one and a bootleg, there is noticeable differences over always. I also did reviews and some comparisons with some other figures. And again, most of the time when you're having a bootleg, you will see some minor differences with the quality, but also like the finishing touch to these figures. I personally really love the pose of this Bardock statue, and I'm still very happy to add this one to my collection, and hoping in the future we can do some more videos about this figure. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. Would you like consider picking it up, or do you really hate it when there are some paint job flaws? Well, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, welcome to the Wicked family, and I will see you in the next video.